After the unprecedented face-off in the gold scam in Kerala, Times Now has spoken to the Chief Minister. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan's first response to his crime branch filing a case against the Enforcement Directorate. Listen to what he said in this exclusive conversation.
വളരെ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റിംഗ് ഡെവലപ്മെന്റ് എന്ന് നടന്നിരിക്കുന്ന കേരള പോലീസ് ഇഡിയുടെ വിരുദ്ധമായിട്ട് സ്വപ്ന സുരേഷിന്റെ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ്സ് ചീഫ് മിനിസ്റ്ററുടെ കുറിച്ച് പറഞ്ഞ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ്സിനെ പറ്റിയിട്ടൊരു കേസ് രജിസ്റ്റർ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇത് ചിലപ്പോൾ ആദ്യമായിട്ടായിരിക്കും ഒരു സ്റ്റേറ്റ് പോലീസ് ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റ് ഇങ്ങനെ ഇഡിയുടെ ഒരു കേസിന്റെ അഗേൻസ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് എതിരായിട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു കേസ് ഫയൽ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അതിനെ കുറിച്ച് എന്താ നിങ്ങൾ പറയാം?
നിയമവിരുദ്ധമായ കാര്യങ്ങൾ നിയമ നടപടികൾ
certain actions that are beyond the scope of the law, they should also take into consideration the impact that action would have.
പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആ പറഞ്ഞ കാര്യങ്ങൾ എൻ്റെ തന്നെ ശബ്ദരേഖയാണ് എന്ന് അവർ എഴുതി കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. മാത്രമല്ല,
Swapna has already given a statement about what they have done earlier. She has also given in writing that this is her audio. It has been heard and a statement has been given. Since we are a law-abiding state, the action that is being taken is as per the law.
ആ നിയമവാഴ്ച ഉറപ്പുവരുത്താനുള്ള നടപടികൾ വരും. അതാണ് ഉണ്ടായിട്ടുള്ളത്.
സർ, വേറൊരു പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട വിഷയം ശബരിമലയുടെയാണ്. കടകംപള്ളി സുരേന്ദ്രന്റെ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ് വന്നപ്പോൾ ചിലവർ ഒബ്സർവേഴ്സ് പറയുന്നത് ലെഫ്റ്റ് കുറച്ചൊരു സോഫ്റ്റനിങ് ഓഫ് സ്റ്റാൻസ്.
That was the first reaction from the Chief Minister, Pinarayi Vijayan, coming there. Madhav, you spoke exclusively to him. He says we are a law-abiding state, which is why we've taken the action as per the procedure of the law.
Well, yes. In fact, if you look at the basis on which the Kerala police has actually registered a case against the ED, they are looking at an earlier statement of Swapna Suresh that has raised certain questions about the Enforcement Directorate, and that is what the Kerala Chief Minister is saying, that she has already spoken about of what ED has done in the past, which is, the allegation, of course, over here is that Swapna Suresh was being asked to give a statement in a particular way, and that is her own audio. She has verified it on an affidavit. A document has been given, is what she is saying, and it's on that basis that the law is taking action. He says that those who do illegal actions or plan to do illegal actions should take into account the full extent of the law and the impact that it can have. So very clearly, this is a very, very important case, and clearly the Kerala government also hitting back at the ED. Remember that the misuse of central agencies has been a key leitmotif of this entire election campaign. The Kerala Chief Minister has repeated that central agencies are being used to hound the left government in virtually every political campaign that he has had. In fact, there's one right next to where I'm standing, where he in fact addressed earlier today in Pattambi, and these allegations are once again repeated. So the Kerala government clearly showing that it will also not take any kind of action against it lying down, and also the Kerala police in that sense taking action and filing a case against the Enforcement Directorate. What the response is from the Enforcement Directorate, of course, we need to see, but these are very, very serious allegations and serious charges that are being levelled here, certainly by the Kerala police and the Kerala Chief Minister.
Right, and this is the second time, Madhav, that we've seen a face-off between an agency in the state government there and a central agency. Earlier, the Kerala government had also blocked the CBI for certain cases, or the permission that the state had to give. They said we will not do so. Now there's another central agency which is at loggerheads with the state government.
Well, absolutely. In fact, in the past also, the CBI and its general consent has been an issue here in Kerala. As you rightly put it, several high-profile cases, we have seen demand for CBI probes. The Kerala government has resisted it. In this particular case as well, in fact, while the Chief Minister had initially, if you remember correctly, Pinarayi Vijayan had challenged central agencies to come out and find any evidence against him. Clearly, when agencies went ahead and decided to actually carry out the investigation, then, of course, we saw that the LDF government, in particular the Chief Minister, taking one step back as far as that particular dare is concerned. So there's no doubt that there's been a long history. If you talk about the various cases that are being currently investigated, whether it is a life mission case, whether it is the case of SNC Lavalin, which earlier also the name of Pinarayi Vijayan has come up, as well as this current case of gold smuggling, all of them are very, very serious cases. In fact, in the past, these politically sensitive cases have really been the main political discourse, the main fight between between the left and the UDF here, and also the BJP, of course, which has tried to capitalize on these issues by taking them to the people during the course of this election. So no surprises there over there exactly, Poonam, but certainly, of course, a very significant statement that
Right.
the Kerala Chief Minister has made while speaking
Absolutely, and a
exclusively
big
to
twist there coming in right ahead of elections in Kerala. Unprecedented action, face-off really, between a central agency and the state police. For the moment, Madhav, thank you so much for getting us that exclusive input and your perspective on the case.